In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an FAQ page to your Shopify store in 2025. Creating a comprehensive FAQ page is a fantastic way to improve customer experience, answer common questions efficiently, and reduce support requests. Let's dive right in and make this as smooth as possible for you. First, we're going to focus on creating a new FAQ page in your Shopify store. Start by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, navigate to Online Store and then click on Pages. Next, look for the button that says Add Page and click on it. You'll want to give this page a title. Something simple like FAQ works perfectly. While adding initial content is optional at this stage, you're welcome to include any starting information you think might be helpful. Once you've set your title, don't forget to click Save. Now let's move on to customizing your newly created FAQ page using a theme template. This is the recommended approach because it allows you to keep your design consistent with the rest of your store. Go to Online Store and click on Themes. Find the Actions button and select Edit Code. Here, you'll see various options under Templates. Click on Add a new template, choose Page as your type, and name it something memorable, like FAQ template. Next, you'll need to copy and paste the code for the FAQ section into this new template. Keep in mind that this code may vary depending on your theme or if you're using an app. You can get guidance from the Shopify community if you need specific code snippets. Return to the FAQ page you just created, and under Theme Template, choose your new FAQ template. Don't forget to save your progress. With the template set up, let's add the FAQ section to your theme for an engaging display. If you're using a free theme like Dawn, this section is often termed collapsible content. However, if you have a premium theme or desire more customization options, consider using an app such as Elfsight or a custom section. You can place the FAQ section either within the page template or, if you prefer, directly on your homepage. The appearance and content of your FAQ section are fully customizable via the theme editor. So go ahead and make it fit your brand's aesthetic. Finally, let's ensure your customers can easily find and access your FAQ page. Head over to the online store and select Navigation. You'll need to decide where to place the FAQ link, whether it's in the main menu, footer menu, or somewhere else. Click on Add Menu Item and give it a straightforward name such as FAQ. Connect this link to the FAQ page you've created earlier by selecting Pages and choosing the appropriate option. Save the menu, and that's it. A few final tips. Try organizing your FAQs into categories for a better user experience. And always use clear, concise language in both questions and answers. Ensure your FAQ page is easily accessible. Test it on various devices to make sure it's responsive. By following these steps, you'll not only enhance customer satisfaction, but also streamline operations within your Shopify store. I'm confident that you'll create a functional and user-friendly FAQ page that's beneficial to both you and your customers.